If your legs have become weaker with age, even simple things like getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, or walking across a parking lot can become much harder. Weak legs can limit your mobility and slowly take away your independence. But the good news is that there is often something you can do about it. In this video, I will show you a simple plan to help you build stronger legs in just 10 days. And you did not hear that wrong. Just 10 days. This can help you move with greater confidence, experience less discomfort, and stay independent longer. I am Dr. Mark, and I have spent more than 25 years helping older adults improve their strength, balance, and mobility. These exercises can help even if you feel extremely weak, are not comfortable with exercise, or have done nothing to strengthen your legs in years. I will guide you through each movement step by step, so you know exactly what to do. These exercises may not be suitable for everyone, so make sure your doctor has cleared you to exercise before you begin. If any movement causes pain, stop that exercise immediately. Before we get started, type 10 days in the comments, then tell me your age and where you are watching from. You might be wondering how stronger legs in just 10 days is even possible. The answer is simple. We are not trying to build muscle, we are trying to build strength. Muscle and strength are not the same thing. One of the biggest reasons is your neural network. This is how your brain and muscles communicate through your nerves. When that connection is strong, your muscles work better. When it is weak, your legs can feel much weaker than they really are. That is why someone with smaller muscles can still be very strong, while someone with bigger muscles may still struggle. The difference is often the mind-muscle connection. This is especially important if you have arthritis, are recovering from an injury or surgery with your doctor's approval, have weak legs, or have not exercised in years. Today, we are not trying to build bigger muscles. We are going to strengthen your mind-muscle connection, and that is why many people begin feeling stronger much sooner than they expect. The first exercise is called the quad towel press. Lie comfortably on your bed with both legs stretched out. Take a rolled towel and place it underneath the knee of the leg you want to work. The towel should create a slight bend in your knee. That small bend is important because it puts your quadriceps in the ideal position to activate. Now press your knee firmly down into the towel. At the same time, pull your foot and your toes back toward you. As you do this, squeeze the muscles on the front of your thigh as hard as you possibly can. Focus all of your attention on that muscle. Try to feel it switching on. Hold that contraction for 5 seconds. Then slowly relax completely before repeating. Push down into the towel again. Pull your toes toward you again. Tighten that thigh muscle as firmly as you can and hold it. Even though you are not lifting weights or pushing against heavy resistance, you should still feel the muscle working. It may begin to feel warm or tired after only a few repetitions. That is exactly what you want because it means your brain is reconnecting with the muscle. This exercise is not meant to make your quadriceps bigger overnight. Its purpose is to strengthen the connection between your brain and your muscles. As that connection improves, your legs can become noticeably stronger, often within 1 to 2 weeks. Aim for 15 repetitions in a row. Start with 3 sets throughout the day. If you have the time and feel comfortable doing more, you can gradually increase to 5 or even 6 sets each day. That extra repetition gives your nervous system more opportunities to rebuild the mind-muscle connection and helps your quadriceps wake up faster. The second exercise is called the straight leg raise. This movement builds on the first exercise by keeping your quadriceps activated while adding the muscles at the front of your hip into the movement. Lie on your back and bend the knee of the leg you are not working. Keep the other leg straight on the bed. Before you lift your leg, do exactly what you practiced in the first exercise. Press the back of your knee gently into the bed, pull your toes toward you, and tighten the muscles on the front of your thigh as firmly as you can. Once you feel that muscle fully engaged, slowly lift your straight leg until it reaches about the same height as your opposite thigh. There is no need to lift any higher. Pause briefly, then slowly lower your leg back down with complete control. The most important part of this exercise is keeping the quadriceps contracted during the entire movement. Do not relax the muscle as you lift or lower your leg. Keep pulling your toes toward you and keep your attention focused on the muscle working. The goal is not simply to move your leg. The goal is to strengthen the connection between your brain and your quadriceps every second of the exercise. If you are doing this correctly, you should begin to feel your thigh working after several repetitions. By the time you reach 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 repetitions, the muscle should feel noticeably tired. That fatigue is a good sign because it tells you the muscle is working hard enough to improve that mind-muscle connection. Aim for 10 repetitions and complete 3 sets throughout the day. If you stay consistent for about 2 weeks, many people notice a meaningful improvement in quadriceps strength. If your knees sometimes give way while you are walking, this exercise can be especially helpful. That often happens because the connection between your brain and your quadriceps has become weaker. Strengthening that connection can help your knees feel more stable with every step. The third exercise is called the straight leg raise with a resistance band. This movement builds on everything you have practiced so far by adding gentle resistance, giving your quadriceps an even greater challenge while continuing to strengthen the connection between your brain and your muscles. For this exercise, you will need a resistance band tied into a loop. Choose a light resistance band because it will be placed around your ankles. A heavier band is not necessary. Before you begin, there is one important precaution. If you have lower back pain, be careful with this exercise. Because both legs remain straight, it may not be comfortable for everyone. If it causes discomfort in your back, stop the exercise and do not continue. Place the resistance band around both ankles and lie flat with both legs straight. Gently press your lower back into the bed to help keep it supported. One leg will stay on the bed to act as an anchor while the other leg does the work. Just like before, press the back of your knee down, pull your toes toward you, and tighten the muscles on the front of your thigh. Keeping that muscle fully engaged, slowly lift your working leg against the resistance of the band. You only need to lift until you feel the band become tight. Hold that position briefly, then slowly lower your leg back down with complete control. Keep the quadriceps contracted throughout the entire movement. Focus on feeling the muscle working as you lift, hold, and lower your leg. That constant attention helps reinforce the mind-muscle connection and teaches your nervous system to activate the muscle more effectively. Aim for about 10 repetitions in a row and perform several sets throughout the day. This is an excellent way to wake up your quadriceps. And if you stay consistent, you may be surprised by how much stronger your legs begin to feel in as little as 10 days. If you have been following along, you have already taken an important step towards stronger legs. Keep practicing these 3 exercises with proper technique every day, and you may be surprised by how much stronger and more confident you begin to feel. Now it is your turn. Leave a comment with 10 days, along with your age and where you are watching from, to let everyone know you are ready to take the 10-day challenge. Then come back after 10 days and tell us how your legs feel. I would love to hear about your progress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend or family member who wants stronger legs and greater independence. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.